Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your selfie into a professional Hollywood photo shoot using just ChatGPT. So you're going to add this prompt. Actually, I added some other prompt. I will put it in the description box down below, but you're just going to add it with your selfie or your picture. I don't know why I didn't save it in my notes. I did just paste it onto ChatGPT itself. I did already generate it, so you're just going to do that and you're going to press enter. And this is what the photo should look like. This is the actual prompt that I use. Obviously, you're going to change the prompt to your liking and what you want to generate. But this is just the photo before, and this is what it looks like after. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. It's super simple to do and it costs me nothing. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.